You guys ready for an air fryer video? All right, I tell you what, one tool I use that's not normally on the outside of the house, I use it all the time, almost every single day, and sometimes multiple times in the day. What is that? That's an air fryer. I tell you what, it is one of the most convenient tools you can have in your cooking arsenal. I'm a family man. I've got a 4-year-old and an 8-year-old boy. They eat a ton of food and they're really picky. They just like, a lot of times, fries and nuggets. The easiest way is to get them cooked up in an air fryer. Because of this, I've been using a lot of different air fryers over the past few years. And I tell you what, Cosori makes a really awesome air fryer. And their new Iconic is just truly a piece of art. It's all stainless steel. The inside is amazing. Recently, there's been a lot of talk about air fryers and how toxic they are for you. But I tell you what, this Iconic one, I feel that it hits everything with a health-conscious mind frame. So it's not using any Teflon inside there for the nonstick surface. It's using a ceramic coating in there. For me, that's really important. But I tell you what, I could talk about it all day. Let me show you what I've been cooking with it the past couple of weeks. As you can see, I've really been putting it to the test. I mean, ribeye steak on an air fryer? I didn't even think that that was a thing. Well, I tell you what, it is, and it was pretty flavorful. I was highly impressed by it. Let me show you how easy this thing is. We're gonna put it to a test right now though on a cook. I'm doing up some pork chops. Pork chops are one of my favorite things to do on here. I gotta tell you what, I haven't really been into pork chops the last couple years, but because of this air fryer, it's so easy, it's so quick. Season them up, I throw them in there, and we're good to go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, I told you that thing is awesome. I tell you what, guys, for me, my family, this thing's been a really helpful tool to have, and I highly recommend it. I don't ever recommend anything that I wouldn't use for my family, and I'm really pleased with this one. And I know you will be too. If you did get a value out of this, please do me a huge favor. Like this video, comment that you did, and what's your favorite thing to actually cook on the air fryer? And as always, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me produce more valuable, flavorful content like this for you in the future. And until next time, live a life of flavor.